Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo Reno 11F and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So, soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. So all you have to do is to soft reset it, or first of all power it off and power it on again. So all we have to do right now is to press two buttons. It is a power button, which is located right here, and volume up button together, and wait until we will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons, and let's pretend that we cannot tap on restart. So keep pressing both of those buttons all the time, simultaneously. We've got the black screen, which is really good. We've got the vibration, we've got the developer's logo also, so we can release the fingers and now simply wait until the device will be turned on completely again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.